Do you know what software designers and auto mechanics have in common? They both solve complex problems, which even the most intelligent of us don't understand and can't do ourselves. Many times we have no idea what we'll end up paying them for, how long it will take, or whether we'll even get our money's worth. This is why we've spent the past 10 years perfecting a high trust procedure for managing complex software development projects and delivering feature-rich, user-friendly software solutions that will fit your business like a finely tailored suit. You've probably seen how quickly a simple project can mutate into a giant cash-sucking mechanical octopus that drags you into the murky whirlpool of project management chaos. That's why we'll carefully lay out every detail and feature of your project in writing, complete with all project costs, timelines, and completion dates, before one line of code is written. Most important, our project managers have the experience and communication skills to accurately interpret your vision, intuitively fill in the gaps, and craft an end product, which is even more feature-rich, customized, and user-friendly than the picture you have in your mind right now. Even if you change your mind about a feature partway through the project, our flexible and intuitive process can easily handle adjustments to the application without busting your budget or delaying your deadline. In fact, if your project isn't ready for final review by the time we've promised, we'll do a month's worth of free upgrades at absolutely no charge.